Welcome to the 5 Minutes Day Trade, Episode 1. Enjoy it.
Indicator gives us an interest area, and I will long from here. Just simply watch and see how the indicator works. I will open position from green box to the red box. Let's watch the time-lapse video together.